right, we got the Csxt Q317-09 westbound mixed freight train heading to the side, heading to the entrance of the track 1 end of the J Tower, heading west on Main 2. Check it out. Here we go.
Well, what's some guys doing right there? I'd be getting away from it if I was still working on the
7213. We built new locomotive CM44AC there, Chaz. Yeah. And I've never seen them before. It's kind of like a lashup there. Sort of like we slowly continue. Here comes the cross switch to the tracks. Steady she goes. There goes Mr. Conductor onto the cab. Steady she goes. Let's head it back inside the cab. Good effort. It's coming towards us. It's kind of a sort of like who knows? Thank you! Oh! Hey, woo! Let's go! Oh, yeah, look at that! 72-15, 13, 34-57, 26-34, 311 right there! That's a beautiful lashup right there. I don't think I've ever seen it before. Doesn't he look nervous? Beautiful shot. Opportunity here. Live. Yeah, I'm trying it for a second. Alright, today we have a special 100 videos uploaded, so it's kind of like, well, not done yet. There's, at the end of the freight train, we'll face selfie around here. Where's the end of the train go? Ooh. Look at that bulkhead, flat cars everywhere. Box card, it's kind of like a sort of, it looks like 50 outside box card. It's kind of like a sort of little shapes and sizes. There's a bathtub, gondola cars. More tankers. Lots of big freight trains everywhere. There's the end of the train where we're looking for us. There's two locomotives on sitting at the J Tower on track main 1. And there you have it for q317-09 westbound empty mixed freight train. So, woo, that's pretty cool. There you go, folks. There you have it there, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have a special 100 videos uploaded for my, can we get 100 videos uploaded up to my YouTube channel? So, make sure, please subscribe to my channel for Josh Ryan on my trains on my YouTube channel. And you know, you get notifications on my new train videos every day since for my way up in hotspots every day for a entire year or so. Thanks for joining with us today. Please subscribe to my channel. So, like, comments, and subscribe to Josh Ryan. Out.